Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome today on Sunday. Yes, Sunday we have here in the additional of the weekend edition, Saturday, May the 11th, 2024. An additional with 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. We have here also a jigsaw Sudoku, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star. In Dutch, take that cipher block. In Japanese, Suguru. And the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. And these puzzles, I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve this afternoon. And in the evening, I will do the Samurai Sudoku. The first one, the 3 star Sudoku. This will be number 8517. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has a lot, 29 printed digits. Usually the 3 stars puzzle has 25 printed digits. This one has 29, should be a 0 stars. For 0 stars, I need to be faster than 30 minutes. Well, it's indicated with 3 stars. For 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes. Question is this a 3 stars Sudoku or a 0 stars puzzle? We don't know, we will see, so let's get started. Alright, we have 2 boxes left in this center big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5. He's missing the 6, 7, and 8. He's missing 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have 8 in this one. No 8 there. 8 should be here and a 5 goes there. Alright, and now, let me see. How about, Alright, need a 3 here, I need an 8 there. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left, 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in the first row, no 8 there, 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the third row, so the row between the second row, the only 2 places left, 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there, 8 should be here. 8 in the first column, 8 in the second column, so the third column, and only 2 places left, 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this row, so no 8 there, 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the column next, so the last column, the only 3 places left, 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there, there and 8 in this row, so no 8 there, so the only place left, 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see digit number 1 number 8. Alright, 1 in this column, last column, 1 in that column, so the column between, only 2 places left, the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in the middle row, no 1 there, 1 should be there, 1 1. Then let me see 1 1 1 1. Need to wait here, How about 3, 7, 2, 4, 4. Well. The 2 in the third row, 2 in the second row, so in the first row, the only place left, the 2 should be there. 2 2. 2 2. Well, 1 2 3 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in the first column, no 2 in this box. We have a 2 in the last row, no 2 in that box. So the 2 in this big square could be here, could be there. 2 in this column, 2 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 3 places left, the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in the last row, no 2 there. 2 in one of those 2 boxes in the row above, so no 2 there. The only place left, the 2 should be there. Then, let me see, 2, cannot continue with the 2 now, need to wait. How about the 4 in this row, 4 in the row below, so last row, the only place left, the 4, a should be there. 4 4, 4 4, okay, 4 4 4, 4 4. How about need a 7 here. Come on, come on, come on, come on. You know, one here. 6. Well. 6. Come on. 1. 1. 3. The 3 here. Yeah, 3 in this column, 3 in that column, so the column between. The middle column now only 2 places left. 3 should be here. Or there we have 3 in this row. No 3 there. 3 should be there. Need a 3 here. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in the last column. No 3 in these 2 boxes. A 3 in the middle row. No 3 in those 2 boxes. So the 3 in this big square could be here. Could be there. 3 in one of those 2 boxes in this column. 3 in the last column. So the column between. I don't need 2 places left. The 3 should be here. Or there. We have 3 in this row. No 3 there. 3 should be there. Need a 3 here. Okay. 3 there. Cannot continue with 3. Wait. 3, 2, 8. I need a 4 here. Yeah. 6. Need a 6 there. 2. 8. Need a 7 here. We have a pair. This 3 and the 7 in the last column. The 3 and a 7 in the column next. So that column, the only 3 places left on the 3 and the 7 goes in these 3 boxes. 3 and a 7, 3 and 7, 3 and 7. And look, we have 3 and a 7 in the middle, so no 3 and a 7 in this box. The 3 and a 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 4 missing numbers now. And one of the missing numbers of a 2. We have a 2 in this column. We have no 2 in these 2 boxes. So the 2 could be here. Could be there. Oh, well. We have a 2 here. 2 in this column, last column, 2 in the column next. So that column, the only place level 2 should be here then. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 place level 2 should be here. Or there we have a 2 in the first column, no 2 there. 2 should be here. Mark those 2 boxes with 2. We have a 2 in the third column, no 2 there. 2 should be there. Do we have all the 2s? And all the 2s are used. I can't see. Digit number 2. Okay. Well, in this row, we need a 3. Here can be 3, we have a 3 in the first column, no 3 there. Here can be 3, we have a 3 in the last column, no 3 there. So the only place level 3 in this row should be there. And I've eliminated here the 7, so the 7 goes there. 3. Okay, need a 3 here. Alright. How about need a 1 there, need a 1. Yeah. How about a 6? Need a 6, need a 9, need a 4. 6, 9, 4. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, the 5, the 6 is missing, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 4, 6, 9, 4, 6, 9, 4, 6, 9, 4, 6, 9, and look, we have 4 and a 6 in this one. No 4 and a 6 in this box. 4 and a 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left for number 9. 1 box left in this row for number 1, the 2, the 3, 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 7 in the first column, 7 in the third column, so the column between the second column, the only place level 7 should be there. 7 in the last row, 7 in that row, so the row between the middle row, the row between, the only place level 7 should be here. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 place level 7 should be here. Or there we have 7 in the third row, no 7 there, 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can't see. Digit number 3, number 7. Alright, now. 2 numbers left in this big square. Numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. The 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 5 and 9, 5 and 9. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright, now these 3 missing numbers in the middle column are the numbers the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4, 6. The 7, the 8, and 9 is missing. 4, 6, 9. 4, 6, 9. And look, we have 4 and a 6 in the first row, so no 4 and a 6 in this box. 4 and the 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in the middle column for number 9. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those. 1 and a 5. Here also 1 and a 5. Okay. So we have 6 in this column, 6 in one of those 2 boxes in the middle column. So the column next down need to place level. The 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in the last row. No 6 there. 6 should be there. 2 missing numbers in the last row. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 5 and 9, 5 and 9. We have a 9 in this column. No 9 there. 9 should be here. And 5 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 1. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column, so the column next the only place left the 1 should be there. I've eliminated here the 5, so the 5 goes there. 1 box left in this first row for number 1. 1 in the third column, 1 in the first column, so the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have 1 in the middle row, no 1 there, 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can see. This is for number 1. Okay, so here we have 2 numbers left, the 9 and the 5 also. I need a 6 here. Need a 6 here. Well, the 6 should be there then. Okay. How about 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row, so the row below, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in the first column, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in the third column, 3 in the first column, so the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in the second row, no 3 there, 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used. I can see. Digit number 5, number 3. How about, let me see, 2 numbers left here in this row, 4 and a 6, 4 and a 6. We have a 4 in the first column, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 6 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 6. So we have a 6 in the last row, 6 in that row, so the row between. The only 2 places left, the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there, 6 should be there. Then 9 and 5, okay. How about a 4 then? Yeah. We need a 4. Yeah, 4 in the last column, 4 in that column, so the column between. Only place left the 4. A should be there. 4 and a 6, we have a 4 now in the second row. No 4 there. 4 should be here. 6 goes in there. 6 in this column, last column, 6 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left, the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 2 missing numbers. Yeah. 2 missing numbers. Wait. Yeah. In this big square, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 9 and a 5, 9 and a 5. We have a 9 in the last column, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 5 goes there. Here also 2 missing numbers. The same numbers. The 9 and the 5 are missing. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 9 goes there. Here the same numbers, 5 and a 9. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 2 2 missing numbers in this big square. Same numbers, the 5 and the 9. We have a 5 in this row, third row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 9 goes in there. 9 in this column, third column, 9 in the first column, so the column between. The second column, the only place left for the 9 should be there, and the final 2 numbers in this big square for the rest 1, 2, 3. 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We have a 5 in the third column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Finish in 14 minutes. Well. 0 stars. Yeah. We solve it again, and I like this one, yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.